Okay. So now we can starting correlation. Actually, I find the dynamic value this one, right? Just I copy this one, and before going to the code generation, you need to first execute once. Okay, execution is completed. Then only it will generate code generation code. Without doing replay, it will not generate code generation. Okay. Then you need to copy the dynamic value in your script. Just this is the dynamic value. Denver is dynamic value. I copied this one and go to the code generation. This is the code generation and control home. And after that, you can copy here and click on next. Then we find the dynamic value. Just you can copy this entire text and open Notepad. Okay. And so we need to write the function. What is the function? Anyone can tell?
Left boundary.
Save param.
Yes, function is a web underscore reg underscore save underscore param. This is the function. For this arguments, what are the arguments in Shaker?
LB first name, first is the user session, like
Parameter name.
parameter.
We can consider, we can call it as a parameter name. Left boundary.
And left boundary and right boundary.
Comma, last and
semicolon.
This is, okay.
Semicolon.
Parameter name means this is the what we are doing. This is a departure, right? So
Yes.
that is why we can give for the related name as a parameter name depatch. Okay, and after that we need to give for the LB/RB. LB is what value? Preliminary. Which value we can consider as a LB? This is the dynamic value. Dynamic value left text will be left boundary, right text will be right boundary. So this entire value we can consider as a
Left boundary.
LB, left boundary. And next to RB, so this is the dynamic value. After this dynamic value up to here, this is the right boundary. Here we can take two ways also. You can consider this is the dynamic value. This is also Denver only, right? So this is the dynamic value. Then we can consider this is the left text and this is the right text. Means we can do two ways also. We can take any one is fine, no problem. Okay. So now I take this one. So now you can copy this one. You can place it in as an argument as a LB, and this is the RB. Okay. Now what we do, we write the function. Everything is completed. Now where to write the function is the third point. So what we can do, go to the runtime settings.
Full mode.
Logs window, we'll select these three options in extend logs, parameter substitution, data written by server, and advanced test, and save it. And now you can execute. Once execution completed, to just control home and click on find next button, and it will show here. Then you can double click it. See, it will showing where to write the function. It is blinking, right? Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Yes, it is blinking. So we need to write the function here. just you can go to here, you can copy this function and you can place it here. Now we need to check for the any double colons will came in dynamic value place or right boundary or left boundary. So this double colon, this double colon we are given, so that will be no need to change. But this is the, you can observe after selected it is there, this is the double colon. So load runner does not understand what is this double colon, so that is why we can give as a black stars. Okay, and after that here also one more is there, you need to give that also, and here also after value is equal to one more is there, you can give it. And this is the LB is completed, then we are moving to the RB, and you need to here also double colon will be there, we need to give it. And once this everything is finished, then next step what is that? Substitution. So we need to copy this parameter name and substitute for the in Denver place. This is the Denver, right? You can just remove it and open curly brace, close curly brace, you can control V. So now correlation enter, everything is finished, right? Now you can save it, and before running what we can do, we need to remove for the full mode. Like this is the full mode, we can consider as all three check means full mode. We can view only parameter substitution, we can call it as a off mode. So you can give as a off mode and click on save, then you can run. So everyone able to see, right? Departure is equal Denver. Everyone able to see? This is the
Yes.
parameter saving one, and the substitution will be Denver. Fine, right?
Yes.
So it's a correlation completed. After correlation completed too, so we have the different arguments in the, not only LB, RB, we have the different arguments will be there in our tool for this function. So we, for example, I want to capture the how many values is there in that drop down as a departure. So I need to capture the all values. So I have one more argument is there after comma. We need to give for the each and every argument will be in double colon only. Ordinal, that is called as a ordinal equal to, I want to capture all values means we need to give for the all. Okay, so ordinal is equal to all I given. This is the one more argument. What is the ordinal means? Ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic values. How may will capture the all the occurrence of the dynamic values means, say for example, we'll go to our application. So Jojo, right button. Now we are doing departure city, right? This is the departure. For this drop down, how many values it will there? All the values we need to capture in on our script. So we need to use for the ordinal. Ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic values. So now we can observe how it is going. So just you can save it and run. Now we can observe in output window. Only departure Denver is a 2 came.
Ward is equal to, sir, I think so.
See, it is taking as a count. See, saving parameter count, it is coming means, okay, that is working ordinal only. But what will happen means it is because of boundaries, we are not getting for the all the values. So You can observe here. Where is our notepad? Okay. This is right. So now we can take it as a, for this is our dynamic value left boundary, right boundary, and I am taking this is the right boundary as a left boundary. So I'm copying here left boundary. And this is the option, I call it as a right boundary. Control V. So just you can Control C and go to our script. Okay, just I'm commenting that one. So again, we can see if it is a double column base, we have placed this one, and in RB we don't have any double columns. So after that, now we can write for the argument like ordinal equal to all. Internal server error. Okay, whatever maybe that will be, you can still see. Now we can observe how many values still there. All the values it is captured. See, Denver, Franklin, London, Los Angeles, Paris, Portland, San Francisco. So all 20 values it is captured, right? Everyone able to see, right?
Yes, yes.
Using which argument?
Ordinal.
Ordinary value.
Ordinal. So I want now ordinal. I need to capture the Paris. Is a, what is the value of the Paris? Is the fifth value.
Five.
So
Yes.
I will give for the ordinal is equal to 5. So I want capture only Paris particular value. So then I will select given as a Paris. Then it will come Paris or not when you check. See, it is Paris came, right? Everyone able to see?
Yes.
So this is the ordinal. Ordinal stand for the occurrence of the dynamic values. When we are given a ordinal all, it become an array and it will display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. So next thing will be, we have to discuss all arguments only. We have the different arguments for here. So next one will be our requirement will be, so I'm reviewing now this one, ordinal one. So for now current requirement will be not that. What is our dynamic value? Denver. Okay, so I need to capture only 3 characters. No need for this VER. Okay, I want to capture only Den. So using for the argument, like we have the argument is there, that is a save length. Okay, save length. Okay, equal to how many values I am capturing? See, only 3.
values.
3 values.
How many characters are there? 3 characters.
3.
DEN. So you need to give for the 3 and execute. See, everyone observe, came right?
Yes. Same.
Then. So for like this, we need to go for the save length. You want capture 4 characters means you can give 4. That is fine. But Denver is there. I no need for these 3 characters at Den, but I want only for VER. So for that, we need to write for the one more argument, that is a double colon. It's a save offset. Save offset. So how many characters I need to capture? Last 3 characters. How many characters will be there? 3. VER 3. So you can use a 3. And so for this situation, when we are given save length and save offset, first will work save offset. First thing, what is save offset? it is specified to capture the how many character we supposed to skip. What is that? It is specified the how many character we supposed to skip.
Skip.
Means is the Denver will be there. I have given for the 3 character you need to skip, means first 3 character will skip, and I need to print for the save length will be 3, means after that 3 character will be unit capture. So VER. So now we can observe our output will be, I am expecting as a VER. It will come or not, we'll check.
Yes.
See, everyone able to see, right?
Yes.
Yes.
See, our requirement will be VER. Okay. So for this situation, we can use it for the save length and save offset and ordinal, right? What is the save length means? It is specified the how many character we supposed to capture.
Character.
Save offset means how many character we supposed to skip. So ordinal nothing but ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic value. When we are given an ordinal is called, it become an array and it display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. When we are given ordinal is equal to 3, it will display for the third occurrence of the dynamic value. Okay, so now we can give for the ordinal also, and we can try with the ordinal. Okay, equal to all. What will happen? Anyone guess? How many values is there in drop down? All the values will display, and it will skip the first 3 characters and last 3 characters will be displayed.
Will be displayed.
Okay, now we can observe, just execute. So we got error. Okay, see, okay, some characters will be maybe we don't have 6 characters, maybe that is why we are getting some that error. Okay, that will we can leave it, no problem. See, everyone you can observe each and everyone first 3 character will be skipped and it is captured as a last 3 characters. What, how many characters will be there? Last 3 character will be displayed. Okay, so based on requirement, see, you can observe in some applications we are filling in a government jobs or any applications. So sometimes IND will be there. Anyone observe?
Sir.
Is it right? So for this situation, we are right as a save length, a save offset, like that they will do for that one. Means they will capture first 3 characters and END IA. So they will skip for the last 2 characters. So each and every country, USA will be there, or so they will give as a, so like that we can do it. This is for the these 3 arguments. What are that? Ordinal, all, save length, save offset. Okay, so we have the many arguments will be there. So one by one I will explain for that. Okay. So everyone understanding that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we have the one more argument is there, not found. Not found is equal to error. So means maybe LB RB is wrong, then it will show as a not found is equal to error by default. So otherwise LB and RB is wrong. Okay, I'm reviewing this all because of based on requirement we can use it. Okay, now my requirement will be, see, for example, so I'm given this one wrong name and So given left boundary is wrong. So now we can observe. See it throw an error. What is the error? We can see. No match found the requested parameter. So for this one, what happened means I tried many ways. I given left boundary, right boundary, I given, but I unable to capturing the dynamic value. But I want to do for the next dynamic value as a parameterization. Don't waste for my time. So at that time, what I can do means I will go to the here and I will give for here is a one more argument called not found is equal to not found is the argument. Not found equal to warning. Okay.
Sir, double quotes on RB. Nearby RB.
So see now I given for the not found is equal to warning. Because of it is a I need to throw for this as a warning. No need error. So just I given this one. So now it see script will pass, but it is a throw and warning. See everyone able to see, right? It is a warning. No match found error. Request a parameter depatch. So because of
Yes.
specified boundaries are not found the response. Okay. So that is why what will happen? It is throw an warning and we can do for a continue our script. No problem. So after that we can do for the our correlation dynamic values like it will be there in after that departure is there Denver I will do for
London.
Denver done London means I can do it London, no problem. Because of it is throwing error or not error, right? Error means it will stop here only script. But when we are is a not found warning, it will continue for the script. So at that time we can use for the not found is equal to warning. If you not given not found also by default is what is that error? Hello. Next one more argument will be there. Okay. I'm giving now boundary. What is that? Correct boundary will give. I'm giving slash. Okay. So I'm removing. Just I'm showing for the your understanding purpose how it is speaking. Now, for example, we have the one more argument will be there. That is the search. Search nothing but one of the technique which will instruct the user search in LBRB in specified location. By default, search is equal to all, and we have the search is equal to two options we have. Search is equal to we can give it as a body. Okay. Each and every argument will be double colons, must be double colon. Means for this LBRB, it will search in body. Body nothing but it will search in body. Otherwise, it is a header. Sometimes is a headers also will be there. So I will show the headers. These are the headers. Maybe our LBRB it is there in this part in header. The request body part will be there. We can give it as a body. Okay. If it is there in headers, then we can give it as a search is equal to header. Then only it will pick that LBRB. Okay. So this is the search. And one more thing will be there. That is the rel frame ID. These are all arguments. Frame ID. Okay, ID equal to frame ID nothing but say for example, yeah, we are here only, right? See, here is a frames will be there, right? For example, we'll know, right, in maths chapters will be there. Frame nothing but is a first chapter. In the first chapter, we have the 1.0 and 1.1 and 1.1.1. So these are all frames, means it will divide as a frames. So for this LB RB will be there in for example, it's 1.1, then we can give it as a 1.1. If it is there in 1.0, we can give the frame is a 1.0. So this is the one more argument for the rel frame ID. Then we specify the capture the dynamic value from the specific frame. Okay, this is the rel frame ID. Then going to the next one, ignore redirection. So these are the arguments in our function, web break from function. So now we can, again, I am explaining for the what are the arguments. And now first one, what we discuss, ordinal. So ordinal nothing but it will display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic value when we are given ordinal is got all. And going to save length means it is specify the how many character is supposed to capture. Save offset means it is specify the how many character is supposed to skip. And after that, what we discussed, not found. So if it is a LBRB, it is wrong. So we can continue our script. Then we can use for the not found is equal to warning. And one more
Search.
argument is a search. Search nothing but it will search in our LBRB in. If it is there in body, then we can give it as a search is equal to body. If it is LBRB, it will be there in headers. Then we need to give for the search is equal to header. Okay, by default search we are not given, also it will display as a all, means it is take for the headers all, otherwise it will take for the body. So we no need view also, it automatically search is equal to all by default. Okay, next one what we discuss, rel frame ID.
Rel frame.
Sorry, yes please. Hello.
Yeah, no sir, continue.
Yeah, so these are the arguments in our so each and every one. So practice, do the correlation after that, try with our arguments. Okay, today class up to now only, so we are maximum finishing to the correlation. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute, I will give for some points. Some codes will be there, hours 100, 200 and 300 and 400, 500. This is the status codes. I think you can observe while doing for the execution, it will throw as a 500, 200. So these are the, we can call it as a status codes, HTTP status codes. HTTP status codes. Say 100 means, what is the 100 means? So for example, we are logging. Okay, we are logging means that request we are sending, right? Request successfully delivered means request only successfully delivered. successfully delivered. And 200 means response received successfully. And 300 means redirection. Means redirection. And 400 means invalid request. $500 means some application itself not available. Okay, so for this, for example, we are doing login, right? So just what I am doing for is just to I enter the username and password and click on login. Just request is delivered, but it is not received response. Though so at the time we can get for the 100 is our STP status code. Response received means I sent a request and again back sent as a response means I click on login, then it okay, it is there in DB as a username password Jojobin, and response we are received and go to the next page. So means request sent and response is received.